Ladyship, I beg to mention item 3. Ladyship, here the principal counsel is indisposed, so if the matter can come up after the vacation. I'm for respondent number 1.
What is the I for?
It is for
Stay,
stay.
Lordship.
And for?
Stay.
Stay. Otherwise, the matter is in admission column.
Yes, sir.
So you are for the
Respondent number 1.
respondent.
Yes.
Regarding the admission of appeal, oh, acha, that is related with the I, na?
Lordship.
Okay. You are for the appellate.
Yes, Lordship.
Stay is still pending. I mean.
Yes, still pending, Lordship.
Acha, acha. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord,
Number 3. In item
no, my
number
Lord.
Huh?
No, my Lord. There's separate mentioning item number 8. I want to mention another item.
No, we're not kept.
Okay.
We are taking another item, huh?
My Lord.
So your counsel's name is?
Inti Wapang. Inti Wapang.
Inti Babu. You are Mr. P.
Medovero.
I heard Mr. Medovel, the learned counsel for the appellant, and also heard you are Mr.
No more on behalf of respondent number 1.
Mosan, so and so, appearing on behalf of Mr. M.T. Wapu, the learned counsel for the respondent, and prayed for an adjournment stating that the engaged counsel is not, he is indisposed. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner, let the matter be listed after vacation on after vacation as on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Much obliged.
Obliged, ma'am.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 8 on behalf of Mr. Diganto Das, Senior Advocate. My Lord, he is indisposed today. My Lord, matter is fixed in court number 1 in principal bench, my Lord. So, my Lord, can the matter, if it is not inconvenient, my Lord, short matter, can the matter be listed tomorrow, my Lord?
No, not tomorrow, not at all.
My Lord, very short matter, my Lord.
Diganta Das was present yesterday before this court only in Kohima.
Yes, my Lord. Today he is here in principal bench, my Lord. But there is a matter fixed. He was supposed to appear in item number 8. So if it is not inconvenient, my Lord, very short matter, we will not take much time.
No, not at all. We are not going to fix it.
But then let it come, my Lord. Today we will do the matter, my Lord.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm for the opposite party.
You are for the opposite party.
For motion, item number 1.
Maybe my lady. My lady, I may be allowed to withdraw the revision petition.
Withdraw.
And, yes, and with liberty to file afresh. There's been some mistakes on our part in the petition, so we need to make those corrections.
So the other side is not yet
No,
appeared.
not today's motion only, first time.
For
so
the first
not,
time.
Yes.
Okay.
So maybe Lordship may be gracious enough to grant us a liberty to file afresh.
You are Mr. Hard
Foseco.
Huh?
Foseco.
Hard Bishop Foseco, the learned counsel for the petitioner. The case is fixed today for motion, but it is submitted by him that there is some mistakes in filing the revision petition, and hence he wants to withdraw the same with a liberty to file afresh. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is hereby accordingly disposed of withdrawal with a liberty to file as fresh if so advised. Okay,
Highly obliged, my lady.
disposed of.
For motion, item number 2.
Now,
We have
what is the
listed
question
motion.
is, it
Yes,
has
madam.
to be listed before the appropriate bench.
Yes.
You are here for cancellation of bail,
Yes, madam.
isn't it?
Yes.
So, as per the notification or the High Court notification, it has to be listed with the same bench.
Okay.
So, if any urgency is there, then the bench can take up the matter through virtual mode from the principal seat. And if it is, I think it is for cancellation only.
Yes, ma'am.
So not so urgent, so immediately after vacation, it can be listed then?
Okay, my lord.
Okay. List the matter before the appropriate bench, immediately after the vacation. Do you want any fixed date here?
Let the matter fix on 15.
Yes. Let the matter be accordingly fixed on 15/1/2026. Okay, well listed.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 4.
May I please, my lord? Lordship, I am for respondent number 1 in this matter.
For respondent number 1.
Yes, and for respondent, for respondent number 3 and 10 is represented by additional G.V. Shokriya, your lordship. If I'm not wrong, your lordship, we have, V. Shokriya has filed affidavit.
He has already filed it.
Yes, showing that many of the department has been paid. However, only 4 divisions were yet to be paid, and I think she was asked to receive instruction, but she is on her leg in court number 1 as of now, Your Lordship. If this matter can be listed after the vacation, my lord.
Otherwise, you have the instructions.
No, I don't have the instruction because the instruction is supposed to be received by V. Shokriya, Your Lordship.
But you are appealing for the respondent number 1.
1 only. And V. Shokriya is for respondent number 3 and 10.
3 and 10.
Yes, ma'am.
3 and 10. Okay. It is subsequently amended or what?
Yes,
3 and 10.
yes, Your Lordship.
And earlier the respondents were up to 7.
Yes.
Then 8, 9, 10 by amendment.
Yes, yes, because of certain retirement and transfer.
हाँ, no, but these are the concerned with the Department of PWD.
Yes, yes.
And you were saying this some departments in other
No,
departments.
division, some divisions
some
are,
divisions.
yes.
Achha.
It's almost complied, Your Lordship. The order is almost complied. Just that some, I think 4 divisions, around 4 divisions were left to make the necessary payment. Otherwise, it is almost complied, Your Lordship.
From your client side, do you have any instructions? Whether they have received in that aspect, as he has submitted that almost all division have already been complied with the order.
Your Lordship, we have received the information that only few divisions are yet to.
Now, what about your petitioners?
Some of them have received.
Heard your MS, Wali? Your MS?
SIGMO.
Heard MS SIGMO, the counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. N. Angami, the Leland Senior Advocate, and appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1. Foster, have we further submitted that the MS V. Supri is representing the respondent number 3 and 10, and as per the information he received from the learned counsel, the department has complied with the order, and in the most of the divisions have already made the payment. However, few divisions are yet left to be paid. In that context, MS so-and-so also submitted that as per her instructions also, apart from few divisions, most of the divisions have already been paid by full stop. In view of this, the respondents are hereby asked to take proper instructions from the department concerned and list the matter accordingly. Okay, then we are listing it after vacation.
Lordship.
List the matter accordingly immediately after vacation as an date to be fixed by the registry. You also take instruction if there is any, and it can be disposed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I'm deeply obliged, ma'am.
Much obliged, Lordship.
For orders, item number 5.
Please, my lady.
Yes.
I'm for respondent number 4.
Respondent number 4.
Oh yes, Secretary the PhD department. We yet to receive instructions, so can grant some time, Lord. However, unless respondent number 3, who is the chief engineer,
Yes.
she has is forwarded the necessary documents, it will be difficult for the secretary to proceed with the case of the petitioner. So I don't know whether service upon respondent number 3 is complete.
So you are the
And
newly
one-
implemented. You are the newly implemented.
Yes.
So you have received his notice already.
Yes, and I have instruction.
Return service report on respondents.
1 and 3.
It was. It seems that it was the services are still awaited, but. 1 and 3 are still awaited.
Yes.
So what do you want to serve through dusty mode here? We are going to allow otherwise because it's still awaited, or you can, the service may be awaited till next date of listing otherwise.
Your Lordship, like,
No, as per the office note, it is services still awaited for 1 and 3. 4 has already entered into appeals, filed their Wakalatnama also. And now you are saying that respondent number, you won't be able to furnish your affidavit unless the respondent number 3.
Yes, unless the respondent number 3 process the file, it will be difficult for respondent number 4 to act upon it. He's a chief engineer, head of the department, so the let's just say respondent number 3 is really important in the matter.
And you are appearing for
Respondent number 2, my lord.
2, na?
Yes, I have been transferred out, your lordship.
Oh,
And in my place, respondent number 4 has come in.
he has already been.
Yes, yes. So I have very limited role to play, my lord.
Yes, now, okay. So just see, otherwise we can await for service, because as per his submission, the notice, unless he processed the file, they are not in a position to file their affidavit in opposition or whatever.
Your Lordship, I bet the measure be listed after vacation, so that, like,
No, till then you will want to await for the service, or you want to fresh service? It can be awaited, it
yes,
can be
awaited.
awaited. Same likhibo, heard MS so-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard, and one is still awaited, no? And also heard Mr. A. Angami, the learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent number 2. However, he has submitted that the respondent number 2 has already got transferred, and in his place, new incumbent has already joined, who is accordingly appeared as respondent number 4. Further, learned counsel for the respondent number 4, appearing for the respondent number 4, Mr.
K. Angami.
K. Angami, submitted that unless the respondent number 3, who is the chief engineer, process the file, the respondent number 3 is not in a position to file their affidavit in opposition. Full stop. Further, from the office note, it reveals that the service is still awaited for the respondent number 1 and 3. Let the service be awaited till next date of listing. And also service be awaited till next date of listing. List the matter accordingly immediately after vacation, and bring the respondents to file their affidavit in opposition, if any. Okay, we are listing it after vacation. You see, if services still be awaited for the respondents, then you can serve the notices through your testimonials.
yes, Lordship. That's all, Lordship.
Obliged.
Yeah.
For orders, item number 6.
What is the position here? Services, notice. Oh, you have not taken steps?
Your Lordship, as directed by this Honorable Court, we have already taken steps
upon all the respondents.
All the respondents?
Yes, and accordingly, we have also filed our compliance affidavit.
Now, see, as per the office note of dated 27/11, you have filed your affidavit on behalf of for the this that you have taken the service through speed post on respond number 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3. But the question said, however, it is brought to the notice of the Honorable Court that the notices with respect to 1, 2, and 3 were not routed to this registry. So you have personally to say it is not routed through the registry. But till that, the service report is still awaited. It can be awaited till next date of listing. Otherwise, on the next date of listing, if same position is there, then you have to take fresh steps to register it. Okay.
Similar prayer for item number 7.
Just a second. You are MS?
Yukakokla.
Hard MS so the learned counsel for the petitioner. From the office note, it is seen that though the services, though the steps through speed post were taken for the respond number 1, 2, and 3, complying the order dated 24/11/2025, but the notices were not routed to the office of the registry. In the same time, the service is still awaited. First, in view of this, let the service be awaited till next date of listing. List the matter immediately after vacation.
For orders, item number 8.
So 7 is also same, you're saying? 7 is also same. 7 is same order.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Who is appearing for the respondent?
For the consuls are appearing
Pardon?
for the consuls are appearing through VC. Both the
No,
parties.
otherwise you are for the respondent.
Yes, on behalf of the standing council, he's also appearing through VC.
Yes, for the respondent only.
Yes, respond.
You are for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Hmm?
I am appealing for the petitioner.
Acha.
Your Lordship, they file an interlocutory application. I want to file an objection to it.
Interlocutory application is for what?
My lord, may I submit, my lord?
No, submission
My
is
lord, on the
interlocutory application has been filed.
my lord, this is my I am the petitioner, my lord.
No, you are the petitioner. Why you have filed?
Yes, my lord. What had happened when we filed the writ petition? It had come for in the list, and there was a caveat. And subsequent to that, we did not press for the interim order on the first day. And after serving the petition, we have again filed this IA because there is some urgency, my lord, so far as the interim prayer is concerned. My lord, what has happened, my lord, the petitioner is was working as a senior manager in Dimapur, Bank of Baroda, Dimapur branch. My lord, now he has been transferred to Gujarat, Rajkot, and that becomes an inter-zonal transfer. And while he was on leave, my lord, the transfer order was issued while he was on leave. My lord, the principal ground of challenge in this writ petition is, my lord, now he was already exempted from interzonal transfer for the year 2025-26, my lord. And there is a specific order passed by the committee from the head office, headed by the general manager, and we have annexed that order, my lord. My lord, despite that exemption being granted by the head office, my lord, without any notice, while I was in leave, I have been transferred to Gujarat, my lord, and the ground on which the interzonal transfer was exempted, my lord, is because my wife was in the advanced stage of pregnancy, and now my wife has also delivered a premature baby, and the baby is 6 months old, my lord. And my lord, the exemption order, my lord, I have annexed. If my lord may kindly take up my writ petition once, my lord. Writ petition, my lord.
No, the question is that at the initial stage you did not press for any interim order.
Yes, because the bank was under caveat, my lord.
Huh.
So after serving the
So now
after serving the respondent, my lord, again we have filed an IA for the interim order, my lord.
Yes. Yes, Bora, what do you want to submit?
Lordship, firstly, on the first day the petition was listed, the interim order was there. The though I had earlier seen the video, the council later made a statement that he is not pressing for the interim order. That is correct. But initially the court took a view that he had been relieved on 15 November and he had to join 2 days later. He did not join. Therefore, the question of interim order does not arise. That was the preliminary view of the court. Now, if he want to press for an interim order, he can even press today without the interlocutory application, firstly. Secondly, now he was relieved on 15 November from Dimapur to Rajkot. Now he had to join 2 days later. He did not join. In Dimapur, now one Ganesh Das has already been placed. Now his petition has become infectious because he cannot go back to Dimapur. He wanted to go back to Dimapur and Ganesh Das is not a party here. Firstly. Secondly, his time for joining in Rajkot branch is also over. Now what he is under is a unauthorized absence. Now secondly, in these cases, what an employee do is he joins there, he makes a representation, and Lordship, if Lordship allows me, I'll show that he is in this zone for the last 13 years. He is the longest stay in this zone. If someone is wanted in Rajkot, he is the first employee that we have to prefer. Therefore, and we wanted to transfer him in 2023. He made an application. We accepted. He came to the court in 2024. We wanted to transfer him again. He then again made an application. We exempted in 2025. Now we wanted to transfer him. Now he again has come to the court, and in every exemption seeking application, there is a different story. The transfer, Lordship knows is an incidence of.
It was initially, the WPC was initially listed on when? First date of listing?
Malad, 2nd of December.
December?
2/12. Yes, Malad. 2nd December. 2nd December, Malad. There is an order passed.
Order black photo say. Order sheets are only this 2 December. This one is the na. Acha. And then it's listed on 2nd December 2025. So okay, then I can understand. But the question is now, Mr. Bora, you are going to file any objection, or today you are going to?
And his contentions, as per the guidelines, are also incorrect. The bank, as per the regulation and as per clause 18, there is a non-abstensible clause. The bank has the right to transfer. It is not the question of right. It's a transfer is an incidence of service. And for exempting him, all the lady officers we have transferred. Now only he can be transferred. If he is not transferred, what will be answer to the second longest employee? Every time, every employee would say that every time you are exempting him. Lordship, we have also our limitation, Lordship. Therefore, we will file objections, Lordship, if Lordship allows.
May I submit, my Lord?
Now, see, Mr. Das, the question is that on the very initial date, most probably there was no prayer for any interim, and now you have already filed your IA for praying for interim relief or interim stay. But the question is that, as Mr. Bora has submitted, that the other incumbent, most probably the other person who was Mr. Das or whoever, he had already posted here in Dimapur, and you have also not joined this Rajkot in spite of lapse of your this statutory period of limitation. Now, so as per Mr. Bora, you are now can be considered as unauthorized absence from your place of hearing. But the question is that whether what urgency do you have now for the interim stay? Because stay is there. Yes, you want to submit anything?
My lord, so far as the incumbent who has just joined Dimapur branch is concerned, my lord, I have also inquired, my lord. My lord, that officer is a scale 2 officer in the rank of a manager, my lord. And the petitioner is a scale 3 officer who is working in the nomenclature senior manager, my lord. So, my lord, may kindly consider that no person in the rank of senior manager has joined Dimapur branch till date, my lord. And that person is some Mr. Chetri. What my lord, I was also aware, and I also took instruction from the client that if we were aware that we should make him a party. But when we inquired, my lord, we were told, I have instruction, my lord, that he is a scale 2 officer who has joined as a manager, not a senior manager. This is one, my lord. Two, my lord, so far as the policy matter of the bank is concerned, the exemption was granted on 28th of April for 1 year. For 1 year, the exemption was granted by a high-level committee of the bank comprising of 5 high-level officers headed by the GM. And that exemption is still in vogue, my lord. And on 15th, my lord, while I was on leave, this order was passed by the Deputy General Manager, who is also not the authority to pass the transfer order, my lord. My transfer order can only be passed by the General Manager. I have annexed all policy documents, my lord. I will take your lordships, if my lord may permit. And my lord, the third aspect of the matter.
The entire matter.
My lord, third aspect of the matter, my lord.
Entire matter or only for this day. Otherwise, I will pass the order on the interim. I mean interim.
My lord, I'm only pressing for the interim order, my lord, because there is some urgency on 22nd of November. I have pleaded, my lord. My father-in-law has also expired. My baby is 6 months old. My father-in-law has expired on 22nd of November, my lord. There is a family exigency, my lord. I've stated that on oath, my lord. And my lord, the transfer policy, my lord, and the exemption which was granted in my case is squarely covered, my lord. This is arbitrary transfer, my lord. My lord, respectfully submitted, my lord. This is arbitrary transfer, my lord. That transfer policy is in the teeth. And the exemption which has already been granted is in the teeth of the order which was passed by the Deputy General Manager, not the General Manager. My lord, my exemption was granted by a high-powered committee, high-level committee headed by a General Manager. And my transfer order, contrary to the rules and the policy of the bank, has been issued by the Deputy General Manager, my lord. Even then, without jurisdiction. My lord, these are matters which can be adjudicated upon affidavit, my lord. But my lord, so far as the present scenario is concerned, my lord, I have instruction that the incumbent who has joined Dimapur branch transfer, my lord, that is a completely different transfer, my lord, not related to the petitioner because he is working as senior manager. And the new person who has joined Dimapur branch is in the rank of scale 2 officer, who is his nomenclature is manager. So, my lord, these matters may be adjudicated, my lord, and for so far as the family exigency and the exemption which was granted, it is there in page 25. Please kindly have a look, my lord, in my writ petition, page 25, my lord.
Question is just, Bora, from your verbal submission, can I pass the order or you want to submit any written statement? Otherwise,
Lordship, what I have initially paid that what the statements made is not wholly correct. Then I want to file an objection, make a detailed objection, short date your lordship would give, and I'll file my objection. And
we don't have any short date. From tomorrow onwards, the benches, no, there will be no bench here at Kohima. From tomorrow, the holiday, I mean, vacation will be started. So, in probability of giving any short date is not there, but one thing is there. If it can be heard from the principal seat, that I don't know, but otherwise, there's no time. Today is the last.
Lordship, if lordship gives time for objection, it can be heard from the, if lordship allows, it can be heard from the principal seat, lordship.
But
And moreover,
it has to be, it can be heard from the principal seat also. In that case also, there has to be some arrangement because tomorrow is the last working day here. So regarding the transfer or hearing will create some problem. Yes, Mr. Do you have any issue in that case?
And moreover, now the incumbent had joined. Now he has not joined. For a branch manager, I am to my limited instruction.
Just a second. No, you will be working as a roaster. Tell here, court is vacant, na? No court will be here, na? Yes. That's what I'm saying. No, I am not. I'm not the court from this case. Principal city is not there. No court is there. Well, here. How many days the vacation court is there? 2 days. Just he is saying that vacation court will be here. Just I'm inquiring if it can
My
be
lord.
accommodated. Just this. Okay, then the vacation code definitely it will be between this 1 month vacation though. During this 1 month. Yes. So it will be on vacation code it will be then. Vacation code will be there though. Yes. Huh?
My lord, I think from the principal seat, my lord, there will be functioning the vacation bench, my lord. To my humble understanding, my lord, there will be no vacation bench in Kohima. Because we file matters urgently to be listed during vacation principal seat, my lord.
Okay, then we are listing it before the vacation bench, enabling Mr. Bora to file your affidavit in opposition. But the question is that on that day itself, the objection should be there. Your written objection. And that part, now what I'm saying, Mr. Das, as Mr. Bora has submitted that you have not joined in your Rajkot, Gujarat.
My lord.
Gujarat.
My lord.
So your absence is considered as an unauthorized absence. So take care of that also, because it may create another problem for your career or your service also. So
My lord.
talk to them, because if it is the position is that, then in case the bank authority may have a chance or may cannot get an opportunity.
My lord.
Anyway, so
My
that
lord.
is the aspect. So we are listing it in before vacation batch then.
My lord, my lord, till such time, my lord, some protection may be granted, my lord. Because, my lord, because of the family exigency. Otherwise, my lord, there was no problem, my lord. And my lord,
We
to
have
suggest the petitioner and what is the law actually. He should just join in Rajkot and make a representation to the bank. The bank will definitely consider.
my lord, this transfer order is totally without jurisdiction, my lord. This transfer order is totally without jurisdiction.
Let me submit. I am suggesting something very important. Let him join there, make a representation, because he is the longest stay employee. In 12 years, he is staying in the zone. Therefore, he should join there and make a representation. That is the law also. Man, bank will adequately consider and pass necessary orders. And if he is agreed, he can again, and for joining also, he has to go 1 day. Then we will open, in fact, I am submitting before the court that we will, once he has joined, technically, we'll open for leave also. Leave also, he can apply for leave, then make a representation, we'll adequately consider.
My lord, his period of longest stay was considered, my lord, as in April, the general manager, my lord, has passed an order, my lord. All these aspects were already considered, my lord.
No. These aspects were considered and you were exempted. But for how many years? You were working here since 12 or 13
My lord, kindly have page 25, my lord. Yes, only for 1 year, my lord. Specifically only for 1 year, my lord. Kindly have page 25, my lord.
Till your
No, my lord.
12, 13
No,
years
my lord.
still gone.
That is
here only.
My lord, kindly have page 25, my lord. This exemption is only for a limited period, my lord. Only for a limited period till March 2026, my lord. Only till March, as I understand from page 25, my lord. kindly have a look at page 25, my lord. It is not that the exemption is granted for lifelong, my lord. The
What I
exemption is granted
suggested,
only for or for a
only just
limited
make it
period, my lord.
known.
Kindly have
And
page
we'll grant
25, my
leave
lord.
also. That period, we'll grant him
My
leave
lord,
also.
kindly have 25, my lord, of my writ
Because
petition.
my exceptions are not on record, I am not submitting.
No, no.
But the main thing is that, Lordship, of the record, Lordship, I will say I have been informed that he has a family business here.
Oh.
Therefore, he cannot leave the territorial jurisdiction. So every time the bank transfers him, he makes an application, and somehow he is exempted. First, in 2023, he says that his mother is unwell. In 2024, he says that his baby is born. Now his baby is 6 months. He is not claiming maternity leave.
Okay.
Therefore, there are other reasons also. Okay? I am not submitting because nothing is on record. But what I practically, this is not punitive. Therefore, he should make a representation, and we'll open the online portal for leave. He can apply for leave. He need not go there, but he has to follow the procedure.
Okay. Okay.
My lord, for applying leave, my lord, he has to have access to that portal, my lord.
We will open it. Now, since he is unauthorizedly absent, we have closed it. But once he joins, we'll open it.
My lord, kindly consider, my lord, whatever my learned friend has suggested, my lord. If he is running a business, my lord, in that case, bank has not drawn up any disciplinary proceedings. There is nothing on record to suggest that the petitioner is running a business, my lord.
You will file.
And my lord,
everything will come out. You will file objection. What you were doing in Dimapur since last 12, 13 years, everything will come out. Because
no, I was not the, my lord, I was not the, my lord,
seeking exemption.
My lord, I am in Dimapur only for the last 4 months.
Why you are seeking one pretext to another, you are exempted. Their exemption cannot be a never-ending business, na?
My lord, I am in Dimapur. My lord, kindly, my lord, I am in Dimapur only for the last 4 months. My lord, I am in Dimapur only for the last 4 months, my lord. What my learned friend is submitting, my lord. Only
before,
my lord.
He was in 6 Mile branch. Before that, he is in Jorhat branch. He does not want to leave this zone.
Is this jurisdiction, you are in territorial jurisdiction of Dimapur or Nagaland, you are here, na?
No, my lord. No, absolutely incorrect, my lord. My lord, I have annexed and page 21. Kindly have a look, my lord. I was initially in West Bengal, my lord. My lord, I joined my services in West Bengal. And subsequently, I was transferred to Gauhati. Then I was transferred to Jorhat. And in Dimapur, I am for the past 4 months, my lord. In Dimapur, my lord, I am only for past 4 months. I don't have any family business in Dimapur, my lord. And I joined my service history.
4 months?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Only last 4 months, my lord. No, my lord. No, my lord. Whatever my learned friend is submitting, my lord, is totally incorrect, my lord.
13 months? Years? From where you are saying that he is here for 12, 13 years?
My lord, I have annexed the entire service history, my lord, at page 21. My lord, kindly have a look.
I won't pass any file your objection.
My lord, kindly have a look at page 21, my lord.
He is not allowing me to submit, Lordship.
My lord, I am submitting, my lord. My lord, my submissions were not over, my lord.
13 years. From the
12, what he is submitting is totally incorrect, my lord. I have annexed my service history, my lord, in page 21. Kindly have a look, my lord. I have annexed, my lord. My lord, the document is annexed. My lord, the document is annexed at page 21, my lord.
You are Mr. S. Das?
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. S. Das, the learned counsel for Ayat Lihiba. Heard Mr. S. Das, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. B.P. Bora, the learned counsel, appearing for the respondent. This is an application. This interlocutory application has been filed. Interlocutory application. Interlocutory application has been filed, praying for staying or suspending the email letter dated 15/11/2025 issued by the respondent number 5 bracket or deputy manager Strategic HR and HR Operations, Bank of Baroda, Head Office, Post Office. And the impugned email letter dated 15/11/2025 issued by the respondent number 6, and the impugned relief order dated 15/11/2025 issued by the respondent number 7, bracket of the Chief Manager, Bank of Baroda, Dimapur, Nagaland branch, till the disposal of the writ petition. First, it is submitted by Mr. Das that on the first day of filing the writ petition, they have not pressed for the interim relief, but during the during that period, but within this period, it has been it is seen that no period was not initially made for interim relief, but right through the present petition, pray for the stay of the operation of the said letter of the respondents as stated above. First, it is submitted by him that there is an urgency in the matter as he was earlier exempted from transfer, which was, and the order was passed by the general manager of the branch, and he was till March 2026, he was exempted from the zonal transfer. But in his but without any authority, the deputy general manager had passed the order of transfer, and by the said order, he was transferred to Gujarat branch. Full stop. He further submitted that there are some family problem, and he has a newborn 6 months old baby, and for that reason only there was a prayer for exemption of his transfer. Full stop. Next para, Mr. Bora, and accordingly the present application has been filed for stay of the impugned email order and relief order, etc. Full stop. Next para, in that context, Mr. Bora, the learned counsel for the respondents, submitted that he will file, some time is required to file their affidavit, a written reply, affidavit in opposition, and
objection.
Objection. Affidavit in opposition and objection, and submitted that the present petitioner was transferred on 15/11/2025, but till date he has not joined in his new place of posting, and thus he is in unauthorized absence, and in his place at Dimapur,
Ganesh Das.
Ganesh Das has already joined, and already joining his service. Full stop. Next para, Mr. Das, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted in this regard that he made an inquiry in that regard, and it is seen that one person has joined at Dimapur, not at the post of a senior manager, but only as a manager. So, my manager, and accordingly he submitted that considering the urgency of this case, his prayer may be considered, and there may be a stay of his release, stay of the transfer as well as the release order, release order.
My lord, my father-in-law is also expired, my lord. That is also a ground in my IA, my lord. 22nd of November, my lord.
Only he took 6 newborn baby likhise na. He further submitted his father.
My suggestion is that he is the longest stay in this zone, longest stay.
No, he is also expired in the month of November 2025. That's what Mr. Bora's submission, not one submission is there, that from the report of the bank, he is the 12.
Longest stay, 12 to 13 years. He joined in 2012, and now it's 2025.
Now question is that, see, Mr. Bora, you are saying he is in debt within this jurisdiction for 12 and 13 years. Longest.
Yes, in the zone, Lordship. This is inter-zonal transfer. He is in the zone.
In this zone.
This is inter-zonal transfer.
Further submitted that the present petitioner is is a person who is in longest tenure in the present zone since last 12 to 13 years. And hence, as per the bank rule and authority, his transfer is also required. However, your submission, one more submission, that he may make an representation.
Yes, I say that he make a representation. We will also grant him leave till representation is considered.
Okay, further, Mr. Bora is also submitted. However, the bank is still ready to grant him, leave if he join and makes any representation before the bank authority. Next para, considering the entire submission made by learning counsel for both sides, let the matter be listed before the vacation bench and enabling the respondent side to file their written objection to that regard. So it will be listed before vacation bench otherwise.
Yes,
My lord,
Lordship may make it part and Lordship has heard it completely.
I will not be there.
My lord,
Vacation shall not be
my
there.
lord, my lord, only one difficulty, my lord. The portal is not accessible to me, my lord. If my learned friend can take instruction on that, because without the portal, my lord, I will not be able to apply for any leave.
No. That is
And my
what
lord,
I
and the purpose, my lord, and the purpose and the difficulties, my lord, traveling from Assam to Gujarat, my lord, and these circumstances. I'm not saying that these are ordinary circumstances. My lord, despite having the longest tenure, my lord, the highest level of the bank has granted me exemption for 1 year, my lord, only for a limited purpose.
Submitting regarding the portal, do you have a submission?
Portal normally what does, if an employee does not join and becomes unauthorized, we close the portal. But he joins, we'll directly open it. From here online, he can apply for leave. Just he has to he may has to make 2 applications saying that this is my difficulty, I could not join. First representation, second representation that I will join and I further make a representation to shift me elsewhere from where it is convenient for me to see my difficulties at my home. These are the 2 things he has to mention, and he can apply for leave online once we open the online portal, Lordship. Normally, what we do for other employees is that we close the portal once he is unauthorized. Now, if he joins, we will directly open it. He can apply for leave. We are always bona fide, Lordship. We'll help him to any extent, Lordship. Only he has to cooperate with our transfer orders, because Lordship will kindly consider that if he is not transferred, if we transfer someone who has completed 3 years in this zone, what will be our answer to it? He will question us that we are being discriminatory. Therefore, we have our limitations, Lordship. That's all, Lordship. We'll cooperate with him. He must cooperate with us. That is my prayer. We'll extend him every facility. We will extend him every facility.
My lord, liberty may be granted to file a representation from Dimapur, my lord, because traveling to Gujarat, my lord, and then filing a representation, my lord, it is, my lord.
For 1 day you have to go there. For 1 day, joining 1 day you can spare.
Now
For
see,
1 day only.
My lord,
there is difficulty with the person.
my lord, but there is a death in the family, my lord. My lord, my learned friend might appreciate, my lord, if a family member has passed away in his family, my lord.
Difficulty that your baby is 6 months. There are lots of difficulties persons is
Correct,
facing.
my lord, because there is a death in the family, my lord.
Can be.
In the advocates fraternity also, there are many.
Mr. Bora further submitted that the portal has been closed as the person did not, the petitioner did not join, and considering his unauthorized absence. But once he joined in the office, his portal, he can apply for online leave and other representation, and he will be able to file representation and leave application etc. through online, which may be accepted by the bank authority. In the court line, list the matters.
My lord, only one indulgence, my lord. My lord, my joining may be directed to be subject to outcome of the writ petition, my lord. My lord, only one indulgence, my lord. My joining will be subject to the outcome of the writ petition, my lord.
That is your
party here.
That is not the purpose.
My lord, subject to the outcome of the writ petition, my lord.
Lordship, 1 day you go and join there. 1 day.
Mr. Bora, that is the submission made by Mr. Bora that bank is still ready to cooperate you. If you join and
Yes,
this
yes, yes.
portal and all. But if you are
Let him
not
time.
agreeable to that, you are joining, then it is the case. Case will definitely come out.
My lord, if I go and join, my lord, my writ petition will become infructuous. My lord, that is why,
Okay,
my lord, I am
one
only praying for
one.
liberty, my lord. My lord, my joining may be subject to the outcome of the writ petition, my lord.
You may not join.
No,
Okay.
no, Lordship. What I pray, one day he can spare for his job. He can go join,
Yes,
then
yes, my
join
lord.
here, Lordship.
No.
It is his ego
My lord,
which
I
is
will
not
go, my
allowing
lord.
him to
No,
go.
Mr.
My
Bana.
lord, I will go and join, my lord.
What he is saying that if he joins there, then obviously this writ petition will become infructuous because he is against the order of transfer. That is his
My
case.
lord.
So
My lord.
that you file your objection, we'll see to it.
So that much liberty may be granted, my lord, subject to outcome of the writ petition, my lord.
No, no, Lordship, no.
It cannot be granted at this stage. Yes, to the close.
Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, here is also one I is there, na?
Yes, Lordship.
What for?
This I is for implementation of newly.
Oh, yes. One for one respondent, na?
Yes, Lordship. Respondent number 4 has retired and by
So in
filing
that
this
case,
I.
you will be implemented as a respondent number 5.
Respondent number 6, Lordship, by respondent number 6, Lordship.
Oh,
But
acha, four already, na?
yes,
Acha.
my apology, Lordship. That my printing mistake, Lordship. Instead of respondent number 6, I've wrongly entered as respondent number 4, Lordship. My apology, Lordship.
No, whatever. Your now new incumbent will be
Respondent number
implemented as a respondent number 6. isn't
Yes,
it?
Lordship.
In place of respondent number,
4.
respondent number 4 had already.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, it's okay. No issue. In the other case, the COP is the respondent, other respondent had appeared? No, not yet.
Respondent number 3 has entered his appearance, Lordship.
3 appeared.
Yes, Lordship. She's in other court, Lordship.
Acha, okay, I'll pass you. Anyway. You are Mr.
Sukajish, Lordship. It's not reflected in the cause list, Lordship.
So are you appearing for someone or you
No,
are
Lordship,
you
my name
have
is
filed
there.
your wakalatnama?
Yes, my name is Dan.
Acha, say what is your name yourself?
Sukajish, Lordship.
Heard Mr. N.C. Kajisi, the learned counsel for the applicant, public petitioner. First off, this is an application praying for impleading Mr. E.R. Full stop, Nikato K. Asumi, PWD Nagaland, Kohima as respondent number 6 in above referred in contempt petition number 20/2025 as the respondent number 4 has already got transferred and in his place in his place Mr. E.R. Nikato K. Osumi had already joined. In view of this, they are considering this submission made by land counsel for the petitioner. The present interlocutory application is allowed, directing the petitioner to implead the respondent number 6, Mr. So and so, in the connected contempt petition. The petitioner will accordingly file their amended cause title, and the registry will do the needful and cause title, and after impleading him as a party respondent, the petitioner is also at liberty. Petitioner will take necessary steps in issuing notice to the newly impleaded respondent number 6. Next para. In view of this, the interlocutory application stands allowed. Next, COP Likhok. Heard Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for this petitioner. in view of order passed in IAC 244/2025, the petitioner is hereby asked to file their amended cause title, impleading Mr. So-and-so as respondent number 6. After implement of the respondent, the petitioner will also take steps for the respondent number 6, in issuing notice through speed post and as usual process. No one has represented the other respondents, however, it is submitted by Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the respondent number 3, na?
Yes, Lordship.
Respondent number 3 had already entered into their appearance. List the matter accordingly after notification as an entity fixed by the registry. Also enabling the respondent side to file a written affidavit in opposition, if any. Okay, it will be listed in take steps. Your petition is allowed. Implead the respondent number 6 in the case. Okay.
Hello, please, Lord.